Hello, my name is Gary Hutchison and I'm the PDRA on the Causes and Consequences of Electro-Violence project. Now, this is the first of a series in short, it has to be said, rather informal videos on how to use the platform and how to code articles of election violence for research assistance. Now, this first short video will be discussing logging in, the allocation screen, and the different modes available. So, first of all, when you've got your username and password from us, you should go to coders.victorianelectionviolence.uk/login. You should then put in your username and password. We've got Joe Blogs here as an example. Now, if you forget your password, click this button here and input the email you've sent to us. This will allow you to fill out your password again. So, once you've logged in, it will take you to this screen, the dashboard. Now, this is your home screen, and when you log in, it will always bring you to this. You can log out here, and this button here will also take you back to this dashboard all the time. On the right here are some headline user statistics, so total allocation submitted being the total number of articles, and the current mode, which is currently training. On the left here are the different types of article that you have been assigned. So these are where you go into to start coding articles of election violence. Now, the first mode that you will start off with is training, which is effectively a no consequences sandbox mode. Effectively, you can do no wrong here. Now, the one difference in this screen between training mode and the other modes is that when you submit an article, it doesn't go away forever like in other modes. It goes to the bottom here where you can unsubmit it and start again. And this mode is effectively just to help you get comfortable with the platform and coding different articles. When you're comfortable in training mode and want to start moving to the next level, you should email us at the email address at the bottom here and ask to move on to testing mode. At that point, you'll be given 12 articles to code, and when you submit them, you won't be able to see them again, so you have to be sure that you've done them correctly when you do so. After that, you'll be given bespoke feedback on how you've done on these testing articles and the points that you should remember going forward. After that, if you've completed the test satisfactorily, you're moved on to live coding mode, which is when you'll get a virtually unlimited number of Victorian election violence articles